Find the zeros of f of x equals x times parentheses x plus 2 times parentheses x minus 2 times parentheses 3x squared minus 4. This involves the zero product property. Whenever you're asked to find the zeros, you turn f of x equal to 0. Okay, let me give myself a little bit of space for all of this. Now, this is zero product property. Zero product property says if you have two things or more multiplied together, you set each thing equal to 0. Okay, if you have two or more things multiplied together and it's equal to 0, each thing equals 0, which means x equals 0. So I'm done. X plus 2 equals 0. X minus 2 equals 0. And 3x squared minus 4 equals 0. Okay, so for this, subtract 2, cross u out. X equals negative 2, that's my second possible answer. For this one, add 2, cross u out. X equals 2 is my third possible answer. This one's going to require a little bit of work. So for this one, I don't know why I put an arrow there. 3x squared, I'm just going to rewrite it out. Add 4 to both sides. So 3x squared equals 4. Divide by 3, cross u out. X squared equals 4 over 3. Now in order to get rid of the squared, you square root both sides. Don't forget your plus or minus. Not done yet. This leaves me with x equals plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 over root 3. Now you know you're not allowed to have the square root of 3 on the bottom, so you multiply the top and the bottom by the square root of 3. That gives you 3 on the bottom, and on the top 2 root 3. So x is going to equal positive or negative that. Okay, so my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 answers are going to be x equals 0, negative 2, positive 2, plus or minus 2 root 3 over 3. And that's how it's done.